Who can resist this combination? Tokwa't Baboy with beer or Tokwa't Baboy with rice. Join me and let's explore. Let's make this recipe together according to food fanatics.
You're watching Channel 1 and this is the Pinoy Food Series. Let's join Romelo at his small kitchen.
Yes, welcome back mga kaibigan. Welcome to my small kitchen. And this is my most awaited moment because finally I'm able to prepare a Tokwa't Baboy Pulutan or ulam. Masisentensyahan na yung aking collection of drinks, brews from the Philippines. Seriously, this categorizes as a salad, and I'm doing a recipe by Food Fanatics, one of my most admired and well-established cooking tutorial on the net. Our voiceover will now tell us the ingredients. At the same time, I'm gonna step aside so that you can see the ingredients. The list of ingredients are here as our voiceover tells them.
From the name of the dish alone, we need pork and tokwa or tofu, onions, red and yellow, soya sauce vinegar, water, sugar, black pepper, oyster sauce, and red and green chillis.
I think it's best to begin by slicing and frying our tokwa. Or I think we'll do the pork first. Yeah. We'll do our pork first. Most recipes just boil to soften the liempo. But I want to agree with Food Fanatics that it's better to sear the meat first. Seared or braised meat just tastes better than boiled. So we'll sear it first and then boil it. This should not take long, we're just searing the meat. My first taste of Tokwa't Baboy was back in 1989 in Baguio, and I enjoyed it with a bottle of beer. Being raised in a society where alcohol consumption is frowned upon, I feel guilty. But now, living in Europe where alcohol is just food in liquid form, I feel better. Alcohol abuse and alcohol consumption are two different things. I just added the water, boiled it, to soften it a bit. While this softens, let's prepare the tokwa or the tofu. I've got two burners here now. While our meat softens, let's fry tofu or tokwa. This should be ready now. I'd like to think that this salad, yes, officially this is a salad. This is the best way, or one of the best ways to try vegetarianism, because it's half-half. There's pork and there's tofu. While the rest of the tokwa or tofu cooks, we'll prepare our sauce. These are Thai peppers. This will be hot. I don't have the long chillis. This will be hot. Para tipid.
And as we finish the ricados, the tofu cooks. Perfect on time.
Remember that this is a salad, so it should be served cold. It's not cold. I can work on it now. I have to change the chopping board. It's not visible. It's also brown. I think I'm beginning to like tofu. Really? The liquid ingredients now. Some add cornstarch to this and boil it. I won't do that. To thicken the sauce, I won't do that. I prefer a thinner sauce, watery but tasty. Salt and pepper according to taste. The recipe recommends 1 teaspoon of sugar, or 1 tablespoon of sugar, which I find too much, but I'll follow. And pepper, 1 teaspoon, or according to taste. The recipe also calls for 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Not my favorite ingredient, but I'll try it. This is an adventure. I'm cooking this, or I'm preparing this, not according to my recipe, but according to food fanatics, which we are exploring and possibly recommend. What's the effect of adding oyster sauce? It's optional. It's optional. I would have preferred it without it. Let's pour our sauce into the mixture. Our salad. Surprise! I didn't expect it to be this much. I cannot finish this. I even need a bigger mixing bowl. I'm extremely happy with the result. Look at that. Not just 1 portion, but a big portion. Perhaps I can eat this tomorrow. Go on then. Made successfully our Tokwa't Baboy according to food fanatics. Tokwa't Baboy according to food fanatics recipe. Easy. I like it really. Appreciations to food fanatics for putting this together. Benchmarking on this recipe. Gawa na rin! The ingredients are found in the description box. So if you intend to enjoy this, or this is best eaten with rice as an ulam or as pulutan, preferably because it's vinegar based with beer or rosé. As in many Filipino recipes, they go well with rosé. If you enjoy watching our show today, don't forget to subscribe and share. As I always say, ibida natin ang ating pagkain sa buong mundo. It's time. Our salad. Yes, this is salad. Tokwa't Baboy. Pork and tofu salad. Until next time. Dios nagbati.